Hi, this is Risha Walden with Walden Interiors. Don't you just love the colors that the summer brings? I do. I love color. I love the intensity and vibrancy and variety as the warm weather continues. Today I'm going to be talking about using nature and the colors we find in nature as an inspiration for your home. And I'm going to give you some tips on creating a particular vibe for your home. Depending on what color you choose can really completely change the room. Being an interior designer for the last over 10 years, I've created so many different beautiful rooms for my clients using color, creating a totally different environment. The colors and layering that are chosen can actually create different environments in nature. So how do we do that? Number one, using the color of nature to create a beach scene. So beach scenes are unique because the sun is really washing out the colors that we see. We get the beautiful warm ocean, the beautiful color of the sky, but we have the clouds, the white of the clouds, and then the sun tends to give us a very washed out look. So we look for sea foam, washed blues, washed out yellow. Even though there's a lot of vibrancy, the amount of sun at a beach tends to wash out those colors. So when we're creating a beach vibe, look for colors that are a little more soft and neutral. And use that white as the accent against those neutral colors. That's how you create a great beach scene, beach environment for your home. Layers of green, that's a great inspiration. Using different layers and colors of green to create more of a woodsy feel. When you look out into a forest, into a jungle, there's a plethora of green, but there are so many shades of green. So to create that intense feeling, instead of just using one color of green, look at using many colors of green and layering the green colors. And you will create that rich feeling of forest, of the outdoors, even a yard. When I look outside in my yard, I don't just see one green. I see dozens and dozens colors of green with the colors of the leaves for the different bushes and trees, the grass, the leaves of the flowers. There are so many colors of green. So don't just stick to one color green. Wood tones. There's a lot of wood, and wood can have so many different colors, but just using a natural wood tone for smaller pieces such as a side table or a little stool, the backs of chairs, coffee table, where we can use more natural wood tones, more natural wood feelings, maybe wood that's been debarked and polished, but really creates that organic feel. So that's a great way of feeling like you're bringing the outdoors in. And wood has so many colors. It has the dark, rich, deep colors, and then you get the lighter colors of a birch. And even within a birch, there can be so many layers. My fourth tip and final tip is using pops of color. When we look outside, when we're outside, what do we notice in a garden? We can see those pops of flowers and blossoms, and those are the pops of colors that you can incorporate into your home. Maybe too much color, maybe you're a neutral person and too much color is just too overwhelming for you. But you want to bring some of that color into your home. And you can think of how you look in a garden and you see the beauty of the flowers. They're small pops of color. So bringing pops of color into things like your cushions, pillows, decorative objects, you can create that garden feel by using those pops of colors all over the room. Or just limiting it to a few places, just like a little garden or like a rose garden, a tulip garden, using those fun pops of color. So today we had four tips to help you bring and be inspired by nature and the colors that it offers. I hope you enjoyed this and look out for more tips soon. Thanks.